Went through a very difficult time when he considered taking his own life. How have you helped him through that difficult time?
We've done every form of therapy that exists. We've found a therapist that really works for us, couples and individually. And it's definitely a process. It's not an easy one. Our therapist said that a relationship is basically the process of breaking each other down, but most people don't have the tools to build each other back up, to rebuild. And so it's a constant process of like suffering and passion and love and the repeat cycle. So we're just learning that and navigating that and doing that together.